Non sta in temporada di Carnaval, il futbolista italiano Super Mario Balotelli também quer parte di Carnaval. E l'ha dato un pelà unico, che sicuro sta l'attenzione di tutti fanatico ora arriva a terreno, da vale la pena buscare per Wake. In una selezione di bowling juvenil da in training per torneo internazionale che tiene anche.
Aunque es joven bowler nanta de temporada de CP, toch nan turta mostrar disciplina. Y te llega training, llega na hora of llega lá, turtinco assim ng ejercicio, promerco como se tira bala.
We need to have routines. Life is about routines, sports even more so. And that's just ends up being a signal that when we're doing the exercises, that this is when we're going into our world of bowling. And we forget about the studies and the pressures and the girlfriend, the boyfriend, and we focus for an hour and a half on what we want to do.
They're dedicated.
Yes, they're doing a great job. Last year was a very successful year for the youth bowlers, and I expect some of them to graduate to the adult national team this year, and the process keeps moving.
The success of last year, they're going to repeat it this year, and this youth, you can see it?
They will. There are fewer competitions for youth this year, but I expect the ones we go to, we will do even better.
So you're happy with these kids, how they come into the training and everything?
I'm thrilled. It's a pleasure. You know, it's very seldom in my coaching life where I've had people that are so enthusiastic to learn and so willing to change. Normally we start to train, but I don't do that. I do it this way. And these kids, it's like a chalkboard. We can wipe the slate clean, and they believe in me, and they start working on new systems and new methods.
The relationship with Arbas, is it okay?
Excellent, absolutely excellent. For me, it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. The whole group works hard and they focus on the future. Most places think of only today. And Arbas is thinking of what we can do next year and in 2 years and how we can get ready for the Pan Am Games in 2015, when we should qualify, who our youth are going to be in the adults next year. You know, it's a steady process into the future.
And the parents, they'll see the training of the kids, or they'll ask questions after the training, how it's going, everything like that?
They're communicating, they're interested. What's very nice is they don't get involved in the training. In most places, the parents are standing behind and they're learning to let the bowlers bowl with the vision of the coach and of Arbas and not try to be involved, because it's a law of the world. If me as a coach, I'm working with children or with young adults, and I'm telling them to do one thing, and the parents behind are saying signals, do this, do that, the kids have to listen to the parents, because they suffer with me an hour and a half a day. They suffer with the parents all day, every day. So they have to respect the mother and father, and I understand that, but it makes it very difficult for them to get as good as they could be.
That's the problem. You get mixed, huh?
I know they do it with all their love and their best wishes, but we have to let the kids fall down and get back up on their own. We can't lift them up all the time. And they need to go on their own ways and learn new things and be as good as they can be.